A unified workplace is a productive workplace. When employees feel like they are part of a team, they are more likely to be engaged and motivated. This leads to better communication, collaboration, and ultimately better results. Imagine a team of rowers working together in perfect harmony. Each person knows their role and trusts their teammates. This is what a unified workplace should strive for. On the other hand, a divided workplace can be like a ship with a hole in it. People start to gossip, point fingers, and work against each other. This creates a toxic environment that can sink the entire company. In the end, fostering a sense of unity is not just about creating a happier workplace, it's about creating a more successful one. Cliques are like small, exclusive clubs within a larger group. They can form for various reasons, such as shared interests, backgrounds, or even departments. While seemingly harmless, cliques can significantly impact workplace dynamics. Firstly, cliques breed exclusivity. This can make those outside the group feel left out, undervalued, and less inclined to contribute their ideas openly. Secondly, cliques can hinder communication. Information might be shared selectively, leading to misunderstandings and an uneven distribution of knowledge. This lack of transparency can breed resentment and conflict, impacting overall team performance and morale. Preventing the formation of cliques requires proactive measures from both management and employees. Here are some steps to foster inclusivity. First, promote open communication. Encourage open dialogue and feedback within the team. Second, cross-departmental collaboration. Implement projects that require individuals from different departments to work together. Third, team-building activities. Regularly organize activities that foster team spirit and allow employees to connect on a personal level. Finally, address unhealthy behaviors. Do not tolerate gossip or exclusionary behavior. Address such issues promptly and fairly. These actions, when implemented consistently, can help create a more cohesive and harmonious work environment. Section 4. Team building and inclusive practices. Team building activities play a crucial role in breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of camaraderie. Consider activities like escape rooms, volunteering events, or even simple team lunches. The key is to create opportunities for employees to interact outside of their usual work roles. Inclusive practices are equally important. Ensure everyone feels heard and valued in meetings. Encourage diverse perspectives and create opportunities for everyone to contribute. Celebrating individual and team successes publicly can also boost morale and foster a sense of shared accomplishment. Section 5. Reaping the rewards of unity. A summary. Creating a unified workplace requires a conscious effort, but the rewards are substantial. When employees feel valued and part of a team, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and committed to the organization's success. By implementing the strategies outlined above, you can break down barriers, prevent the formation of cliques, and create a workplace where everyone feels like they belong. Remember, a united team is a winning team.